Okay. How many minutes should we do?
Ivory soap. Wait. Ivory soap in the microwave.
It's not gonna glow. We'll do 2 minutes.
Well, I want to see it blow up.
What was that?
Do whatever it does.
Mine's all. Oh, that's why I put. Where do you think you're going? Wait, are you dressed? Yes.
Ew!
Oh man, Chris, come here.
Ew!
Chris,
Ew! Oh God! Wow!
working. I guess 7-year-old soap does work.
Ew! Go.
my goodness.
Bleh.
You can stop
That's gonna like be
You should probably stop
the whole entire microwave. Ah, can I touch it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it hot?
Yeah. It feels like foam.
That's what they said. You can mold it and color it.
Ah! It's hot.
Let's cool down.
It was just in there for about like a minute or so.
Oh, now it's not very big. I think we should put it back in and let it grow.
Yeah. Grow.
It smells good.
I know.
I said our food might taste like ivory soap now.
Ew. Pizza and ivory soap. Ew, look at it growing like that.
Do you see it?
Sky's like, what the heck did you put in there?
Do you see it?
Baby experimenting with us. Not supposed to put babies in front of the microwave, Heather.
What's wrong? What's different from the front to the side?
I don't know.
There's no difference.
This thing's so big anymore. I can't even see into the microwave anymore.
So I mean,
I can see everybody's reflection on it.
Smells like soap.
Gosh.
Well, don't smush it down. Let it cool down some. You take it out.
as soon as you take it out, it goes down. You know, she can take it out. It's hot.
Oh, it came off the paper towel and got all over the plate.
Oh, it's like clay, except for it gets. Don't.
That part's hot. Some of it's still.
Oh yeah,
liquidy.
it doesn't make a mess in your microwave.
Well, if it stayed on the paper towel, it wouldn't have. Look, Chris.
No mess in the microwave.
One Pinterest experiment went right.
So this is what happened to our ivory soap.
This one's hot because it's still like